Hey folks, Tommy the Butcher. We got a very special video coming at you today. We're doing a Wise Guys barbecue rib throwdown. Without further ado, I want to introduce our extra special guests today. We have Katie and Rico from Q Shanty Barbecue.
All right guys, so we're going to trim a competition style spare rib. We're starting off with some IBAs, pork spare ribs. First off I always take off the flap just to get it so I can be able to see what I'm working with. And then we're gonna look at the bones. Right here you see this bone's broken, so that's gonna be no good. So I'm gonna go in two bones, 1, 2, come down, take off, discard. Then I'm gonna see where my tallest bone will be right here. Take my knife, come down, so you're taking off tips, then so what I'm trying to do right here is square up the rib so it's a nice uniform rib. So then you're just going to go like that. I'm not worrying about right there right now because I got to count over the many bones after I peel off the membrane. You take your butter knife, go in, and I'm just going to take your fingers. I don't use paper towels because I feel more comfortable pulling with my hands. But you can use paper towels if you like, and you're gonna just keep going until you're perfectly good. So then, now I'm gonna go count. I go between 9 and 10 bones, depending on where I'm ending. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we're gonna go right to here. And trim off that. Then I'm just gonna come back in. Just take a look right there, take that. I'm gonna flip it over, take my pair of scissors, come in, and just shape up. The reason why I'm doing this is so there's no slagging pieces. Then you're just gonna come back in, again, perfect. So when you're looking at a comp rack, you want the straightest bones possible. This rack, when I bunch it up, the bones go straight, so that'd be a perfect competition rack for us. You got a little bit of extra fat that you can just take your butter knife to. Just peel some back. Too much fat will make the rib a little bitter taste, we feel sometimes. For these racks of ribs, when we're going to box in a competition, you're focusing on 4 or 5 bones. So you're gonna look, I'm gonna focus, my comp ribs will be from right about here or here, depending upon how it comes out when you cook. We have great marbling on the front. I really don't have to do much to the front of these ribs at all.